All right, now we're going to be doing 8Q reverse sequence. This is by Jamad. 91% of the people like it. And we're going to build a function that returns an array of integers from n to 1 where n is greater than 0. For example, n equals 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 in an array. All right. So what we're going to start with is one of these array constructors. We're just going to turn n into an array. So basically, we're going to say, pardon me, we're going to say array n. All right. And after that, we're going to go dot fill, because we got to fill this array with something. So the dot fill method changes all elements in an array to a static value from a start index default 0 to an end index default array dot length. It returns the modified array. All right. So we're going to fill it in with 0, although I want to fill it in with nothing to see what happens. And then we're going to have to do a little bit of map. So we're going to do dot map. And here's what map is. The map method creates a new array populated with the results of calling a provided function on every element in the calling array. So basically, array.map, here's array1.map, x arrow function x times 2. So this is going to be the first time it's just going to run through each one of these elements and then multiply it by 2. So 1 times 2 is 2, 4 times 2 is 8, 9 times 2 is 18, 16 times 2 is 32, basically. All right. And so let me show you though. We're going to be using this syntax though. We're going to be using the index primarily because the element doesn't matter to us really. All right, so we're going to, since the element doesn't matter, we're going to have this little open space with the underscore, comma, and we're going to have index because that's what we're using. All right, and so after that, we're going to go in minus index. All right, and let's see how that works. Oh, it worked. Awesome. And when you do in minus index, it's just going to go, okay, first it's going to start the array, and then it's going to fill, like we said earlier. The fill is defaulted at 0, so we don't have to put anything in there. Let me attempt it first. All right. And then after that, since we fill it with nothing, and the map, we're just going to, we're going to do the index. We're going to have n, which is whatever number, like in this case 5, and then minus the index. So 5 minus 0, 5 minus 1, 5 minus 2, 5 minus 3, 5 minus 4. And then for some reason, it hates 5 minus 5, so it's just going to stop right here. And that's basically how it works. I don't know. That's how I understand it, at least. But here we go. It's good enough. So we're going to submit it. And we're going to very like it and my solutions. And we're going to say best practice on that one. All right. And we'll see you next time.